Hello student, CO3I DMS and IF3I POD subject is same. That's why I have covered all the topics of the DMS and the POD in these PPTs. Don't follow the syllabus points. Let's see learning outcome of this video. Three levels of architectures of database system. Data abstraction, different levels of data abstraction, and instance and schema. Last lecture we have seen the topic of first chapter. The topic is what is data, what is DBMS and advantages of the DBMS as well as applications of DBMS. Now let's see three levels of architectures of database system. In this architecture we have to learn how to abstract the data. So firstly let's see what is data abstraction. Data abstraction. It is a process of hiding the implement details and representing only the essential features to simplify users' interaction with the system. And abstraction means extracting the important data by ignoring the remaining irrelevant details is known as the abstraction. Database systems are usually made up of complex data structure as per their requirement. To make the user's interaction easy with the database, the internal irrelevant details can be hidden from users. This process of hiding irrelevant details from user is called as the data abstraction. There are three levels of the data abstraction. First is the physical level, second is logical level, and third is view level. Let's see the diagrams of levels of data abstraction. Three levels are there: the physical level, logical levels, and view level. In physical levels, it is the lowest level. This level describes how the data is actually stored in the physical memory. The physical memory may be hard disks, magnetic tapes, etc. And the next is the logical level. This is the next higher level of abstraction which is used to describe what the database store and what relationship exists in between the data items. And the view level. View levels, it's called as the external schemas. It is the highest level of the data abstraction. This level describes the user interactions with a database system. In the logical level, simple structures are used, but still complexity remains because in the large database various types of information is stored. In this physical level, it's called as internal level. It is the lowest level of the abstraction. In this, describes how the data are stored and the complex low level data structure described in detail. For example of the physical level, the index, bit ring and hashing. Now, the logical level. Logical level is called as the conceptual levels. It is the next highest level of the abstraction and describe what data are stored and what relationship exists among this data. And it is the database administrator level. Now, next level is external or view level. In this external level, it is related to the data which is viewed by the individual end user. This level includes a number of users, views or external schemas. It is closest to the user. We think some questions regarding our topics. This questions type is the MCQs type. And first question is, which of three schemas used in schema model shows the physical storage using a particular product or techniques? The options are here. The first is the internal, second is the external, and third is the conceptual, and fourth is the implementation. A student, think about the questions and give the answer. And second is When discussing a data model, under the construction, users speak in terms of dash schema they work with, which database developers must translate into dash schema. The first options is here, the external, internal. B option is internal implementation. C internal conceptual, and D is the external conceptual. Third question. Which of three schemas used in three schema model is a complete logical view of database? First, internal, second, external, third, implementation, and fourth is the conceptual. I hope all of you know the answer, but I have given in the next PPT. Answer of these MCQs. Question 1 answer internal. Question 2 answer external conceptual, and question 3 answer external. Now let's see the instance. The data is stored in the database of a particular moment is called as instances of the database. In database, changes are the quite frequent. For example, insertion, deletions or updations are the frequent operations on the database. In the example of application programs, the value of a variable at a particular time or the situation is called as the instances of the database schema. Now, next topic is the schema. The design of a database is called the schema. To understand the schemas, we can consider an example of a program of an application. A variable or array declared within structure in schema. The changes in schema are not frequent. There are three types of the schema. First, the physical schema, second, logical schema, and third is the view schema. In this physical schema, it is the design of a database at a physical level. That is how the data stored in the blocks of the storage is described in this level. Next, second is the logical schema. It is the design of the database at logical level. Developers and the database administrator work at this level. Here the data can be described in a certain types of data records gets stored in the data structure. However, the internal details like the implementations of data structure are hidden at this level. The third is the view schema. It is used to design of the database at view level. This usually describes the end user interaction with the database system. There may be a multiple schemas at a view level. Some questions regarding these topics. Which of the following are valid types of the database schemas? First is the physical and logical schema. Second is the logical schema. Third is the practical schema, and fourth is the physical and practical schema. Student, think about and give the answer. Then second is a map of entities and their attributes and relations is represented by dash dash. The first option is here conceptual schema, second B logical schema, third is none of these, and fourth is the physical schema. Think about the answer. And third question is a database instance is a set of a memory structure and background processes that accesses a set of database file. Student, this sentence is true or false? Give the answer immediately. I hope all of you know the answer, but I have given the answers in the next PPT. Let's see answer of the MCQ. First is physical and logical schema. Question number 2 answer is here logical schema. Question 3 answer is true. Student, I hope all of you understand the topic. If you have any doubts, you can ask me anytime. Thank you.